It's 5 a.m. Let's see how much reading. No, it's 1 p.m. on a Saturday. I'll give you a reading update. For those of you who are curious about my sleeping habits on weekends, I do still wake up pretty early. Sometimes it's 5 o'clock. Today it was closer to 6. We are on what is probably our 4th consecutive day of rain. I didn't have plans until this afternoon, so I decided to have a chill morning and delay filming until this moment. Yesterday, I started the first book in the Mind F series by St. Abbey, and it's definitely worth the hype. I have to admit, I delayed starting it because the cover gave me the impression that it was going to be heavy on the spice and light on the plot, but I'm actually finding that it's the opposite, and I am very pleasantly surprised. It's like an extra hot version of Criminal Minds. I started that yesterday evening and I finished it up this morning. I gave it a solid 4 stars. I jumped right into book 2, which is also pretty short, so I will definitely finish that up today as well, which would put me at 13 books for the month. I do have another one of my book clubs meeting this Wednesday. We're reading a longer book. Actually, let me go grab my TBR for the rest of the weekend. Next up for book club is Wuthering Heights. I read Wuthering Heights in high school, and from what I remember, I enjoyed it. So we'll see if it stands the test of time now that I'm reading it as an adult. I do have a couple options for my next short king, and I would love some advice in picking what I read next. I think this is one of the options I might have presented as a choice yesterday, but I have The Answer Is No by Frederick Bachman downloaded and ready to go on my Kindle, Victorian Psycho, which I am dying to read, or The Land of Milk and Honey by Sipam Zhang. Let me know which of these 2 books you would pick to read next, and I will see you at some point tomorrow. I'm not going to commit to a time. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.